Bowman Tower, experimental 129 Bravo Zulu, ready for departure on 24.
Control 129 Bravo Zulu, Bowman Tower. Left turn out approved, runway 24, cleared for takeoff.
Left turn approved, clear for takeoff. I'll orbit at 2,000 for about, probably no more than about 10 minutes or a couple of circles this time.
9 Bravo Zulu, roger, and just remain south of runway 24 in those circles, in those orbits, sorry.
Alrighty, south of 24, 29 Bravo Zulu, on the roll.
Remember, 3 Mike Romeo, contact departure.
Clear departure, 3 Mike Romeo.
Trigger down 7 Whiskey, runway 24, clear to land.
7 Whiskey.
Aircraft Bowman Airport Information, uniforms current. Number 9 Bravo Zulu, just verify you're circling just south of the field.
Affirmative, sir.
So 9 Bravo Zulu, roger. Remain clear of fast Charlie airspace. You're getting close to the edge.
Alrighty, stay clear of fast Charlie. 29 Bravo Zulu.
Number 907 Whiskey, turn left at Kilo, contact ground point 8.
Bowman Tower, Mooney 7170 with you.
Mooney 7170 Bowman Tower, turn right heading 030, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
170, right 030, at 2500.